So I'm going to show you how to create a photo ambient wallpaper that matches your current weather wherever you are on the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So long press an empty space on the home screen and then select wallpaper and style and then tap on change wallpapers. Now from the list, you should see photo ambient wallpapers. Tap on that and then let's tap on try now. So this is going to require you to pick an image from your gallery. So I'm going to pick that image. And once that image gets prepared, it's going to take a while to kind of set it up. And it says based on the default location, the photo ambient wallpaper uses AI to change your own photo to sunny, raining, or snowing, depending on what your weather app is saying right now. So tap on done in the top right corner. And it's trying to save it. There you go. So that's what it's gonna look like. Now currently it's gonna show this because it's actually currently sunny. So that's what I'm seeing. When it gets raining, it's gonna show some rain. If it gets snowy for some reason, it's gonna show snowing, but the background of image is gonna be the same. So you can see what that looks like. That's rain, that's snow, and it's gonna keep changing depending on the current weather situation in your area. Thanks for watching and good luck. Now keep in mind that this works on the lock screen only. All right. Anyway, good luck.